So you want to start a business in 2025, but you have no idea where to start. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to form an LLC this week without wasting any money on unnecessary services. Stay till the end for a free 2025 LLC checklist you can download today. First, what exactly is an LLC? It stands for Limited Liability Company. Think of it as a legal wall between you and your business. If your company ever gets sued or falls into debt, your car, your home, your savings all stay protected. That's why freelancers and small business owners use this structure. It's simple, but it's safe and it's powerful. Step 1, choose your state. If you live and operate in one state, just form your LLC there. Forget the hype about Delaware and Wyoming. Those options really only make sense for large corporations or if you're operating in multiple states. They just create extra fees and filings that you don't need. Step 2, name your LLC. Go to your Secretary of State's business name search and make sure your name is available. Avoid names that sound like government agencies and always end it with LLC. Pro tip, check for trademarks at uspto.gov before filing so you don't have to rebrand later. Step 3, appoint a registered agent. This is the person or service that receives official mail and legal notices for your business. You can be your own agent if you have a physical address and work normal business hours. Otherwise, hire professional service. They're usually only like $100 a year. I'll link my trusted recommendations below, and each includes a discount for new businesses. Step 4, file your articles of incorporation. Head to your Secretary of State website, click Form an LLC, and complete the online form. You'll enter your business name, address, registered agent information, and occasionally a short description of your business. Pay the filing fee. It's usually between $50, maybe up to $200, and within a few days, your LLC will be official. Step 5 is to get an EIN. That's your employer identification number from the IRS. It's like a social security number for your business. You'll need it to open a bank account, hire employees, and eventually file your taxes. Never pay a third party for this step. It's completely free at irs.gov. Another pro tip, write it down or take a screenshot. Otherwise, you'll be waiting a month on the snail mail. Step 6, open a business bank account. Once your LLC is approved and you have an EIN, go to a bank or online business account provider and set up a dedicated account. This keeps your business money separate from your personal money, and that's what maintains your liability protection. Many online banks now offer no-fee business accounts with instant approval. I'll link a few below. Step 7 is to create an operating agreement. Even if your state doesn't require it, this document defines who owns the LLC and how the decisions are made. It's also proof that your company is legit if you ever need it. After that, set a reminder to file your annual report each year to stay compliant and active. So let's recap. Step 1, choose your state. Step 2, name your LLC. Step 3, appoint a registered agent. Step 4, file your articles. Step 5, get an EIN. Step 6, open a bank account. And Step 7, stay compliant. Download your free 2025 LLC checklist below and grab the discount links to the services I personally use to make this process easier. If this helped, tap subscribe. Next up, I'm breaking down an LLC versus an S-Corp and which one saves you more money come tax time. Click the next video and start building your business the right way right now.